Overcoming challenges. That's what Ben Smith has done his whole life. He was diagnosed with autism at age 2. And today, he graduated from Towson University with a bachelor's degree in math. As ABC2's Cassie Carlisle tells us, he's the first to graduate from a specialized program that helps students with disabilities.
Today was a huge day for Ben. He was surrounded by friends, family, a mentor, and staff who have helped him grow and know he will succeed in postgraduate life.
I was proud to be Towson Tigers forever.
After 6.5 years in college, today is finally here for Ben.
I was very shy. I was uncooperative with some things that were not a big deal.
Since he was 2, he's been told he has autism. But teachers at Towson say he's a proud advocate for other students like him and has a go-getter attitude.
Every challenge he faces it with, this is something he's doing to help himself build skills for the future.
After graduating from Harvard Community College, he came to Towson where he had the tools to succeed. COLA, the College Orientation and Life Activities Program, helps fill gaps students lack in social and teamwork atmospheres.
They will check on the progress of how we're doing. So right now, my grades are okay.
Everything, I remember they were practicing conversations going back and forth, and that was very tricky. And then it was going back and forth, but it's how long do you talk for and what kind of things do you talk about?
He interned, was part of the Honor Society for Students with Disabilities, and tutored other students in math, constantly pushing himself, taking each step closer to this moment. Making him the first with this disability to have a bachelor's in math and minor in computer science from Towson University.
He's a really important student to me. I've really been a part of his journey, and I'm going to miss him a lot, but I'm so proud of him.
It is really hard. We've gotten very close to him over the years, and we've seen all this growth and been there for him through so many different things. But we're very proud of him too, and we know that he'll do great.
And Ben will be applying for jobs and schools to pursue a master's degree. He hopes to make the world a better place. In Towson, Cassie Carlisle, ABC2 News.